Hello team and welcome. If you are viewing this video right now, you are going through your orientation process and you've already learned how to navigate through your back office and you already know the benefits that are included in your membership package, and now you are learning how to create your website. Okay, I just want to formally introduce myself again, Dejanay Jones, and welcome to the promotions team MCA. Okay, so the cool thing about Weebly is you can sign up using your Facebook account, or you could create a new profile. Weebly has a lot of cool features, and it's free. So I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible. So if I'm moving too fast, I apologize. So I'm going to log in using my Facebook account. Okay, and these are the different sites that I've already created. And so when you guys create your profile, what's going to happen is it's going to take you to something that looks like this. Okay, and this is where you're going to choose your theme. Your theme is what you want your website to look like. Basically the foundation of it, how the layout's going to look, their background, stuff of that nature. And these are all the cool different themes you could choose from. Okay, so when it comes to choosing a theme, it's completely up to you guys, alright? So these are the different themes. I'm going to hurry up and choose one. I'm going to choose this one. So when you choose your theme, it's going to take you to a page like this. Choose your website domain. You guys, that's the name of your website. So when it comes to building a website, you do have to come up with a name. And whatever name that you choose, you always want to make sure you use a subdomain of Weebly.com. That means that, one, it's free, and two, every time you send somebody your link, there's always going to be .weebly.com. So let's say you want to do, this is just an example, get paid. So get paid today is already taken. Somebody already has that. Get paid through MCA, that's available. So you would type in what you want to name your website right here, and if it's available, you click continue, and you move on to the next. Register a new domain, that costs money. Okay, it costs money to have a .com, a .net, or a .org. Okay, and then connect a domain you already own. So if you already have a website and you just want to just change it over and you want to switch everything to MCA, you could already register your domain and just switch everything, all the information, everything to a MCA website. Okay, so for all my new users, just click the first one, use a subdomain of Weebly.com. Go ahead and name your website if it's available. Let's click continue. So now that's the name of your website. So every time you send somebody to your site, you just give them that link. Okay, now this is where you're going to build your site. What do you want it to look like? You guys, all I'm going to do is just email you the information to put on your website, but you can lay it out however you want to lay it out. The only thing I suggest you guys is to make sure that your application form, your contact form, is the first page, because what you want to do is you want to monitor who is looking at this opportunity and how many people is looking at this opportunity, you guys. Okay, so the cool thing about Weebly is you could view how many people are looking at your site, but you can also view how many people are actually watching this opportunity. Okay, and the way to view that is a contact form. So if somebody has to, submit their application, and then it should take them to the presentation of MCA. They should be able to see the opportunity. And then once they see the opportunity, they can assess, is this something that they want to do? They sign up. If not, that's fine. Okay, so right here on the left-hand side, guys, these are the different features that you can use to actually set up your website according to how you want to set it up. Okay. If your first page, one thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add pages first. Okay, so you're going to want to add about 5 pages. And when you add a page, you want it to be a standard page, so you can design it however you want to. So home is going to be application, because this is going to be how you're going to be able to find out who it is that is actually viewing the opportunity. You're going to be able to monitor your leads, guys, okay? So you're going to click on no header. So I just want to explain to you guys really quick. Tall header is like a big photo. Then your information, short header is a shorter photo. Then your information, no header is no photo. And you can just, design it how you want to. Landing page is something that's like a photo and has a link button to where you can link it to whatever website that you want to link it to. So I want to go ahead and do no header because I want to design my application page the way I want to design it. Okay, and I'm going to click on hide page and navigation menu. I don't want this page to be shown at the top of the navigation. I'm actually going to hide the whole navigation menu because I'm going to create my own. I'm going to go to save and edit. Okay, so when I do that, it takes me exactly to that page. You guys, this is a navigation menu. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide all of that so that won't show up. So I'm going to go, uh-oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, I named the wrong page. So I'm going to name the home page application. Guys, the home page is the first page that they see. Okay, so application, no header, hide it. So if you notice, home isn't there anymore, but you see application. So I'm going to go back to pages. I'm just going to name everything really quick. This is going to be the MCA presentation page. So as soon as they submit their application, guys, it's going to take them straight to the MCA presentation page. I'm going to have it be a short header, just because it's something how I want to design it, and then I'm going to hide the hide page and navigation menu. I'm going to go to advanced and settings. So if you notice, there's only 3 now. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next page. I'm going to name it, this is going to be about us. It's just going to, a little history about MCA page, just in case, some people, they like to see more info. If you notice, it's down to 2, and then this is going to be services, and greater detail of the services that we offer, our benefits. I'm going to hide that. I'm going to save to edit. And then notice that there's 1, guys. Okay? And I'm going to take that 1 and I'm going to rename it Join Today. So after they reviewed all the information, now it's time for them to join. Okay? I'm going to hide that one as well. So you guys, now you see that there's no navigation anymore. And I'm going to create my own because I want them to be able to navigate through everything and really, really take in this information, okay? So I feel like if I put a navigation menu at the top, they're just going to click on it, and they're going to be like all over the place, and they're going to be confused. They're going to be asking me a lot of questions compared to if they just would have just looked at everything in the fashion order, then all the questions will be answered. So I'm going to go ahead and exit these guys because I don't need them. If somebody's submitting an application, that doesn't need to be there. But you notice it says social icons hidden to turn it back on, navigate to design options. So you can always turn that back on when you guys want to, okay? I'm going to change this. You guys could turn this off. You guys don't have to have a title right there. But I'm just going to change it to welcome. Something to know that, they have arrived somewhere, okay? So what I'm going to do is, now this is like, where I could create everything. So I'm going to put an image right here. Okay, I'm going to click on that because I kind of want to post a little job ad, to show that we are hiring. You guys are going to have to Google. I want you guys to go on Google and Google like MCA job postings, MCA job ads. And you guys find a ton of them already made. Or if you want to create your own, you can create your own as well. But you guys are going to find a ton of them already made and just save them in your on your desktop. So there goes my ad. So when people first go to my website, this is what they're going to see. Now it's time to put together a contact form. So if you notice, I put contact form right here. And I put it at the bottom. So I'm going to change this to something like apply now. Okay. Now, you guys, it doesn't matter what you title it, as long as it's showing like, okay, I need to submit my application. Just do not put anything that says employment. You're not employing anybody. You guys, we are all IBOs. These are our own independent businesses. Okay? So nobody is an employee. We all own our own business within MCA. Okay, so remember that. Okay, that's why we pay the $40 to not only get our membership, but to also to be able to become an associate, stuff of that nature. So remember, you never pay to work a job. But when it comes to your own business, there is money involved you have to invest in. Okay, so I'm going to put something very simple like apply now, okay? And if you notice, next to each field, there's a red button. That means required, okay? So that means they have to fill out that form before they can submit. You guys ever like apply for a job online, and when you submit your application, it takes you right back to the same page that you've been at, and letting you know, hey, you have a missing field that that needs to be filled out. That's what's going to happen if they don't fill it out. And the cool thing about it is you can add whatever you want to add. So the comment one, I don't need somebody's comment when they're filling out an application, but what I am going to need is their phone number just in case I need to contact them once they sign up, stuff of that nature. So I'm going to change that to phone number, and I'm going to reduce the size of the box. It doesn't need to be that big if I'm just asking for your phone number. Okay, so boom, that's done. I'm going to click out of that. There you go. Now, if you want to, guys, again, your application can look however you want it to look like. So if you want more information, you could grab like little stuff right here on this side, and ask for information. Like if you want somebody's address, there you go. Boom, address. I don't know what you would need their address for when it comes to MCA, but if you want it, hey, boom, cool, no big deal. So yeah, and then for example, check boxes. When it comes to our gas card marketing campaign, you guys are going to need something like this because that's how we're going to be able to determine what cell came from which Craigslist ad source. So that's what it's going to be explained in the next video. But you will need something like this. So you will just hit position desired. Just example, guys. And then if you want to format their edit options, just click on edit options. Sorry, and you can name it like customer service. Customer service. Agent, referral agent, oh snap, referral agent, and then if you save it, there you go, they have the choice. And then you guys, just let you know, you guys can also add more as well. Okay, you guys can add how many that you guys need to add up to, and just make sure that it's always on required. Make sure that they have to put in this information in order to go back. Guys, I completely apologize. My internet just went out right now. Give me one moment. Okay, it's back. Woo! That was a close one. Okay, so my internet's back in action. So you will set up something like that, and then they're able to click or whatever, and then they'll hit submit. Well, it's very important that if they're hitting submit, it needs to take them to the next page. But before I show you guys that, you see how it says email submissions too? Guys, make sure you put the email address that's affiliated with your MCA business, because what's going to happen is every time somebody submits their information with this application form that you're setting up, you're going to get an email. Okay, your Weebly's going to notify you via email. Okay, so you're going to switch it. You're going to click on confirmation, and you're going to click on link, and then you're going to take it to your next page. And instead of website URL, you're going to click on page on your website. The next page you're going to go to is the MCA presentation, because now they submit their information. Now you need to show them this opportunity, this amazing opportunity that's going on. Okay, so that's already set up. First page set up, boom. You just want to do a quick confirmation. Okay, so that's all set up. Now you're ready to set up your second page. Oh no, I did not. Hold on. Did I do it right? Oh, okay, you guys. I made a slight mistake. You guys really need, when you guys are creating your website, it's really important that you pay attention to what you're doing. I've been working on the Join Today page. So I'm gonna have to, I'm just gonna switch them. That's all I did. I just switched them, and I'm just gonna rename it. I've already done it, so I'm just gonna rename it. Okay, so application. I'm gonna rename this Join Today. Okay, I'm gonna move this down because that's the last thing. Okay, so just want to double check application is, there we go. So this is the home page, guys. This is the first thing people are gonna see. Sorry, this is the first thing people are gonna see when they go to your link. Okay, and they're gonna submit their information. They're gonna hit submit. Then it's gonna take them to the MCA presentation. Okay, this is what you call a short header page. You see how it's like a short photo, then you can go ahead and, you know, format this page the way you want to. So this is where the presentation is gonna go, and then you're gonna create your own navigation by adding buttons to the bottom of the presentation. Okay, so you would grab buttons right here. Actually, before you do that, what you're really gonna want to do is you're gonna want to column it so everything looks properly formatted. So you're gonna grab a column, and then you're gonna add buttons. However many buttons that you want to add. That's how you're going to add them. And then you can actually break up your columns by how many you need. So if you need 4 buttons, you have 4 columns. And you guys can name the buttons whatever you want to. So I would name this About Us. I would name this one Services. I will name this one Compensation. And then I will name this Join Today. Okay, so it's really that simple, guys. And you guys want to make sure that each button there's a link that they could go to. So the Join Today, I would take them to the Join Today page. Makes sense, right? So click on that. Click on the page on your website, and it'll be Join Today. Boom, that's done. Okay, for the compensation button, you want to take them to your compensation page, which is, oh snap. Add the add-on. Join Today, services about. Oh, okay, you would add a compensation page. Sorry guys, I was moving too fast. But you see what I mean? How you're gonna link each button to another page on your website. Oh. Then About Us. We'll just have it about MCA. So you guys notice that. So it's very important that you guys make a page for each section. Okay. And there you go. You have your own navigation. But right above this is going to be the MCA presentation. Okay. I'm just trying to give you guys the basics on how to work themes and stuff like that. And then your Join Today. Mine is like a landing page. And then so the Join Today, you'll have something, you know, say like start working today, stuff of that nature, and then this button text is going to link you to your website, and this is where you put your website in. So it's pretty cool, guys. Now also mobile view. If you click on mobile view, you're able to see what your website looks on a mobile device. So that's another thing I like about Weebly, guys, because it's very mobile friendly. And if you guys are, we have some team members that advertise on Facebook. I advertise on Facebook as well. So if you're promoting on Facebook, a lot of people are responding to you via Facebook. And so when you give them your website, they're able to look at it straight from their phone. A lot of people are on Facebook from their phone. So you're able to see that straight from your phone. So then you guys, once you're done with your website, you like it, then you're going to click publish. And then you're going to click continue. I skip this. You don't have to skip it if you don't want to. I skip it though, and then it's published. This is publishing. And there you go, website published. If you want to share it on Facebook, you can. If you want to share it on Twitter, you can. You guys, the reason why I just don't put my website out there like that, because I want you to message me. I want you to see what's really going on as far as interest-wise. I want to spark your interest so you have the courage to approach me. Because if you're approaching me, you're more alert. Whether if I'm approaching you, you're not really paying attention. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my site, and I'm gonna delete this website because I don't need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that site. Now I'm gonna show you guys my site, and I'm gonna show you guys the information I'm gonna email to you guys. You guys, it took me a long time to create this website because I was just so new to this whole thing, and there was like so many things I had to learn. So this is my first page, guys. When I send people my link, this is the first thing they see. I have my phone number in the upper left-hand corner because if you get stuck somewhere, if you have a question, or if you just want to talk to somebody, to really confirm that this is real, contact me. You know what I mean? So I have it right there. You guys, this is an ad that's already been typed up. I found it on Google. Okay, I placed that there, and this is my website. This is my application. Sorry, this is my application form. So when they click submit, after they fill out all their information, once they click submit, guys, it's going to take them to the next page, which is the MCA presentation page. If you notice, I have no navigation menus at the top, okay? But I do have my MCA logo. I'm going to be emailing this to you guys. So everything that's going to come in this email as far as creating your website is this. I'm going to email you this video link so you can post it on yours as well. And it's a presentation, you know what I mean? It shows the opportunity. A lot of times you guys probably watched this before you even got started. Okay, now you guys, I'm going to warn you guys. Sometimes you guys are going to run into people that you're going to send them to your website, you guys, and they're going to love this opportunity. And they're going to let you know, like, oh, I watched the video, I love the opportunity, blah, blah, blah. And then they're going to be like, and then you're like, okay, you could just go ahead and click on join today. You can sign up. And they go ahead and do that. They're like, oh, I didn't know it cost money. When it clearly says, before you even click play, it says, how can $40 change your financial future forever? So, you are going to run into some people like that. You know, I'm just going to say, have patience. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't pay attention, and that's one thing you guys are going to learn. Being in this business, you guys are going to learn a lot about people. Okay? So, back to what I was saying. If you notice, you guys, I created my own navigation menu at the bottom. Okay, so each button takes them to another page on my website because I want them to surf in order. I want them to see the presentation, then look at, other information about the company. Because I don't want them looking at other information about the company first, then watch the presentation, and then they're just all over the place. Okay, so for example, the About MCA. If they click on that, you guys, it's going to take them to this page. Welcome, History of MCA. I try to make sure the logo picture stays the same. This is what I'm emailing you guys, the history. And all this is facts. You guys can research it yourself, okay? The reason I'm emailing this to you, part of your welcome package, is because I want to make things easier for you guys. The whole objective is to get you guys set up so you guys start making money right away. It's very crucial that you guys start making sales, you guys start making money, so this opportunity can be that much more real to you, and you guys can just take off in however direction you guys want to take off in. So this is what I'm emailing to you guys. And if you want to, you guys can also do your own research as well. Now, if you notice, I put right here, click on the images below to learn more about Motor Club of America, MCA, and TVC Marketing Associate. You guys, these photos right here, New York Times, TVC Matrix, Answers.com, Oklahoma Secretary of State, these are real articles. Okay, so if you clicked on this, it would take you to another article. Sorry, it would take you to an article talking about our company. I'm going to email this to you guys. I'm going to email these photos to you, and I'm going to email the link to you guys so you guys can put in order as well. And if you notice that, like when it comes to an image, if you go to link, the link of the website's right there, guys. Okay, so it's very easy, very easy. So what happens is when I send you guys a photo of the article source, and I send you the link, put the link right here, and always click on open link in new window. So it opens up that article in another page, and that person doesn't lose their spot. Okay. And to grab an image, you'll grab an image right here, and then you'll add the image and stuff like that. Then you add the link. Now, if you notice, I have a go back to previous page button. So just in case you want to go back to home, basically, they could just click on that and then navigate throughout the next one. So let's say that they're done reading all this. And guys, remember, I'm going to email you all this. And then this photo right here is a Google Map photo of our headquarters of MCA and TVC Matrix. Okay, so after done reading this, they're going to click on go back to previous page, and when they do that, it's going to take them back here to the MCA presentation page. This is where it's going to take them back to, guys. It's going to take them back here, and then they're able to go to the next services. Let me see a greater detail of the services. When they click on services, guys, it's going to take them to this page. And it's going to be a short video about our benefits. I'm going to email that video to you guys as well. And I'm also going to email you the benefits frequently asked questions. These are just questions that people most frequently ask when it comes to the benefits, okay? When they're done watching that or looking at that, they're going to go back to the previous page. So they're going to click on that button. And it's going to take them back to MCA presentation page. Okay, so after they do that, they're going to be like, I want to see a greater detail of the compensation. So they're going to click on the compensation button, and it's going to take them back. It's going to take them to the compensation page. And here, they're able to see. If I do one sell, I make $80. If I do 5 sales in a week, I make $82 per sale. I make $410 that week. If I do 10 sales in a week, that's $84 per sale. That's $840 in a week. If I do 15 sales, that's $86 in a week. That's over $1,000. Sorry, $86 per sale. That's over $1,000 a week, and so forth and so forth. So if you notice, they pay you more per sale that you get as you get more sales in that week. And then all those people that you guys are signing up, you guys make sure that you guys train them very well, and they become just as successful as you or even more, because it all pays off. Okay, because they pay you $6 per sale someone that you personally sponsored makes. Guys, all that adds up. And if you guys are really good at training somebody and teaching them how to become successful just like yourself, then you guys are not going to have to work. You guys are just collecting residual income, guys. So that's very important. So as they're done watching that, remember, it's a go back to previous page. So it's going to take them back here. And then they're going to be able to click on, so they're like, I've seen what MC, I've watched the video, I've seen what MC is about, I saw a greater detail of their services, I even saw a greater detail of their compensation plan. I want to do this. This is something that I want to do. So they're going to click on join today. When they click on join today, guys, it's going to take them to this page. Start working today. I have this page be very plain because I want to make sure my words is really sticking out. So start working today. Click on the button below to become an MCA associate today. Once you become an associate, you'll be immediately contacted for orientation and training. Become an associate. They click on that, guys. If you notice, if you click on link, it takes them straight to my TVC Matrix website. So this is my Matrix website. So when it comes to editing your button, make sure that you click on website URL. Make sure you click on the open link in new window, and you put in your web address. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to take them to this. Boom, here they are. This is my website, and they're going to click on MCA Total Security Motor Club. They're going to get started. They're going to click on that. As long as your name is right there, you know you're going to get the credit, and boom, they're going to check out. Pay the $39.90 every month, $19.95. There you go. Boom. And then they're going to continue making creating their account. So it's that easy, guys. And then nothing I'm going to email you is this: the acceptable forms of a payment. Only a bank account, debit card, credit card, nothing prepaid, guys. Okay, nothing prepaid. And if they want to go back to the previous page, I have that button available for them too. So it's that simple. So I'm gonna basically email you guys all the information, and all you have to do is just go ahead and just put everything in order on how you want your website to look. That's it. It's that simple, guys. I was trying not to make this video extremely long, so I really hope this video is able to help you guys build your website. If you're still having like a little troubles, or you're having certain questions, guys, please contact your personal sponsor. That's what they're there for. You guys, they're there to help you every step of the way to make sure you reach your success. Okay, and if you even want to contact me, please feel free to contact me, 951-848-4120. You can message me on Facebook, or you can email me at DijoneJones@yahoo.com, DIJONEJONES@yahoo.com. Okay, another thing I want to show you guys is how do you view your traffic. So, this is, let me go back. I went back too much. So you guys, you go to your website and you click on more, and you go down to form entries, okay? And if you noticed, this is everybody that has submitted their application. So far, I only have 34 entries. Guys, I just recently put the website up, so I said my numbers are low right now. But don't worry, that's going to shoot up. But if you notice, it shows you the date, the time, the IP address, so you can even look where they're at, their last name, their first name, and their email. In addition, their phone number, the total hours that they're looking for, and then how did you hear about us? So if you notice, you can see all the information that you have put up there. Okay? Then also everyone that you click on, it shows you right here as well, which is really cool, guys. So now, first, then you click on statistics. Okay, and you're able to see, now there are some features in here that do cost money, so I would say, I mean, if you have the money to spend, go ahead and spend it if you want. I'm not going to spend it. I like to keep most of my stuff free, so I can keep most of my money to invest it. But you can see the page views. How many page views you have? 90 people, October 1st. That was the first time I first published my website. 90 people viewed it. And then only 16 people viewed it on the 2nd, 81 on the 3rd. None this morning. None. 23 people October 4th. Which is really good because, you know, guys, I didn't do no ad posting. None. And then unique visitors. The difference between page views and unique visitors is page views is people that just clicked on, that just typed in their link and that's it and watched it. Unique visitors, I'm not completely sure on what that means. I'm assuming like people that submitted their application form, but then the numbers wouldn't match up. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not completely sure what's the difference between page views and unique visitors. I'm gonna be completely honest. I am still new to this whole website internet marketing thing, so I'm not completely sure. But if somebody knows, can you please email me or text me? I would highly appreciate that. But you guys, that's how you monitor your stuff. Okay? And again, you can also monitor it from your phone. Just download the app, Weebly. That's it. And then that's pretty much it. That's going to conclude this video, you guys. Thank you so much. Again, if you need to contact me, go ahead and contact me if you have any questions, comments, and concerns. If there's something that I missed out and you would like me to implement in the video or the training video, just let me know. Okay? So thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.